Hello everyone, welcome to video 2 in my Candid Moments series. I think I said captured moments in the first video. It is called Candid Moments. This was a workshop that came out of the previous catalog that just ended December 31st of 2021. I do believe the workshops are still available online only. I hope. Maybe I hope not. So this is layout number 2. I'm working 3, 2, and 1 here. I got this one done first, and I just wanted to show you why I did that. You have this circle right here, so you need to do one side so that this circle then can be set up to line up perfectly, so it looks like it flows across the pages. This is the sticker sheet that comes with this, and this is the second page, and I have that all done already, like I said, so that I can line this part up. These pieces are laid out, but they are not attached at all, and we're going to get after that right now. Sit back and enjoy. Okay, I think I've got that kind of wrapped up. I kept everything pretty flat. I didn't go with a lot of dimension. Just feeling a little lazy. That's okay. The beauty of these kits is that you can make them your own. So I will show you. Here we have a little trimming to do. You just take your scissors, I flip it over so I can see the edge of the paper, and you trim off those pieces that are hanging off the edge. Oop, and there we go. Isn't that pretty? And I'll show you how that lines up next to each other, so it looks like the flow goes across the page. Thank you so much for stopping by. Have a blessed, crafty day, and I'll see you next time.